Alright guys, this is a very late video. Just got home from work about not even 3 minutes ago. Had to pick up a package that I had sent to my aunt because I don't trust it being sent here. As you saw in my last video, well, in my video before last video, I forgot I haven't even edited the last video. I haven't done an outro for it yet, but basically in my motor swap video, I had a steering wheel delivered here, and they always put it at the end of my long driveway. But I'm gonna tell you what I got. Got a new exhaust. If you saw my actual last video, my exhaust broke. I'm running one Flowmaster and one straight pipe. No mufflers, no cats. So yeah, I said screw it. I'm just gonna buy a whole new exhaust, and let's go check it out right now. As you can tell already, it is Borla. I may put a poll on Instagram, a video of this installed. And I'm out. Just because I have steel toes on. I'm gonna post a video on Instagram of a poll. Guessing, seeing if you guys can guess which exhaust it is. You already know in this video, but I'm gonna post that before this video comes out. So I got 2 videos to edit. I'm gonna do that during the weekend. So yes. So Borla. Now let's see what's inside the box. And here she is. Borla Atak. Mufflers I've been wanting for a very long time, for about the past 4 years, but I can never afford them. The price went down about like $100, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go for these finally. So I'm gonna install these tonight. So I don't know if I'm gonna film the whole install. I'll film a little bit of it if I can. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera whenever. Whew. Gonna let her warm up the garage. Yes, the exhaust is gonna be hot. I'm gonna let that cool down for a few minutes before we do any work. But here's a cold start with only one muffler and one, you know, basically straight piped. Yeah. This is gonna be nice. Man, oh man, is it really foggy and wintry looking. This just makes me want to throw up. So you may be noticing I'm recording on the GoPro because my G7X died, because my god sister used my camera and she had it turned on recording for 40 minutes. She had a 40-minute long video on there. But either way, I got the GoPro. So here we got the Borlas installed. It's a few days later, as you can tell. Them tips are dirty already. So I'm gonna clean them up, but I'm not worried about it right now. It's winter. The car is filthy. Can't really tell it on camera, but it's yucky. But this fog is ridiculous. I mean, oh, and there's my trailer park. For anybody you don't get the reference. Some dude thought I lived in a trailer park. So I had a mullet. This is nowhere near oh, camera's going dark. A trailer park, but you know, you can pick all you want. You're just jealous because you have a Honda and you don't have something nice. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop in the Mustang and let's hear a cold start. So she is pretty loud again. If you guys remember at the beginning of my channel, my car is fully straight piped, and it's probably close to being that loud, but has a much better sound. It's smoother. It's still got a little bit of rasp to it, but it sounds great. I like it. I'm probably gonna do a video as saying if they're actually worth the high dollar price, which I paid close to $900 for them. So I'll make a video about that. I'll probably record it today, depending on how the weather is, because it's foggy. It's scary to drive in this stuff. I got so much snow. It's not even funny. I may spray some de-icer on my windows. But either way, I'm gonna hook up the camera and get right into it. thoughts on the Borlas. I love the sound. I love the flow masters, don't get me wrong, but they broke on me for the third time. The weld just kept breaking. So you know what? I wasn't doing that welded junk anymore. I decided to do clamps. And Borla is all, you know, bolt on. There's no welding needed. But the only problem that I haven't complained about is the price. But you know, I don't know. I'm gonna make a video talking about that. There's gonna be a whole separate video if these were worth it, if they were worth the price. But yeah. So yeah, do I actually like them though? Do I like the sound? Does it change power difference? It doesn't really change power difference. The Borlas, or not the Borlas, the Flowmasters changed the power because I was straight piped and I was losing power. So the Borlas, sorry, I keep saying Borlas. The Flowmasters brought me my power back because I gave it back pressure. And so far the Borlas, I haven't lost any power, or at least it doesn't feel like I haven't. So I haven't lost any power. These things sound good. They're 2.5 inch pipes. So it gives it more room to breathe. It cackles and pops a little bit more, especially in the cold. I like them. I've been wanting these for years, but never been able to until now because of they were so expensive. Do I recommend them? Yes. But yeah, I like them. If you want loud and you want a good sounding car, so that it sounds kind of close to a Coyote motor, but you're stuck in a 2-valve like me, then Borlas and an off-road X-Pipe is your way to go. I have stock manifolds. Probably will never get headers. I just don't see them being worth the pain installing, plus the expensive price tag on them. But they don't really make much of a difference. To me, they don't. But sorry if this video is short. I'm trying to be on the grind. I just reached 700 subscribers yesterday, so I'm on the grind. I'm trying to think of videos. It's hard to record during the winter and when I'm busy with work, but I'm trying. Give me some video ideas. So yeah. So this is the Borla installation and review video. I'm going to do another review type video after this. If they are worth it, if they suck or not, but you should know the answer by now. But I'm going to make the video anyways, because I do have some things I want to talk about with them. But yeah, it's going to be in this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys later. Peace. Oh, and also, I almost forgot. Shoot. I posted on my Instagram now would shout people out if they guessed the exhaust right. And I got a few people that answered it right. So I will put their Instagrams right